The Randy Hines channel. We're going to be showing you how to do some things with your slime, I guess. So, I guess to make it unsticky or hard. So first you want to have is a bowl, a spoon, and of course a microwave. So, and slime. And so you want to take your slime and put it in the bowl, and then you want to take your microwave. You want to put it in there for about 13 seconds. Make sure it's seconds, not minutes, because it'll ruin it if it's minutes. Then you want to let it set, and it will show you the time. And it goes off. And then once you get it off, you want to just take the spoon and
the baby has a remote.
And I don't know if it worked or not. But if it doesn't work on the first try, you need to do it the second time, which I don't think it worked on my first time, so let's try it on the second time. So the second time I'm going to put it on shorter because I don't think it needs to be on for 1 to 6 seconds. So yeah, so how much should I put it on there? I think it should be like 10 more minutes, so 10 more seconds, not minutes. So make sure it's seconds, not minutes. So don't put 100. And then we got 3 more seconds. There we go. I hate my microwave. Then it should look like this. But it's kind of like but it will kind of look like yay. And it will be hot, so just giving you a warning. Still sticky, but once you get to play with it, it won't be as sticky. So it's so fun.